Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to spell check on a MacBook. So in order to do this, let's write something down, like pineapple for example. Now if you want to spell check it, let's hold our Ctrl on the keyboard and then select the word. Now you'll be able to see the grammar right here, so I write it down correctly. And now let's check the spell checking bar by start speaking. Now you should hear the sound of what it sounds like. Let's do the sound a bit just to show you.
Pineapple.
And that way we know that how to spell it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.